or better countries much more larger than before, or sometimes before. The Dhammapada is actually real, deeply is not now explained. It's on the can't read, but he is the emanation of the Vajrapana. From the 1,000 Buddhas, he is the Sanjit Myopanhangze. That is the last Buddha of from 1,000. When he did generate of the bodhicitta, he says, however, before Buddha, 999 Buddhas, however they did action of the Buddha, also he says he will do those actions are. He started these generated bodhicitta before Buddha's Rinchen Hingpo, with the essence of the pure. So he started there, and since then he used of the merit, and then he did, and also closely history. If you think about this, in our country there are Potun Rinchen, means great Mahasiddha of the Tibetan. He is also Dhammapada. Before that, in India, he was the great master of the Mahasiddha of Mewapa. His name is Mewapa. At that time, Trichin time, in India there are very large monastery or monastic in India, and at that time there are many monks, ordinary monks, and also spiritually also the scholar of the Buddhism. There are 500 together one place, and at that time, then the Atisha was the proud is the leader of those monks. At that time, Mewapa was there in that monastery, and he is also one of the great scholars. And at that time, he kept it, and then small bottle of the wine, one for that, one for the Tso, Tso offering. You know, there's someone lost. So for the Tso offering, commitment of the tantra. Therefore, he kept that. That is when he kept that small bottle of the wine, the Atisha saw them from him, Mewapa. Then Atisha says he is the leader of those monks. Therefore, Atisha says, "Oh, you cannot stay in the monastery. You have to keep away from the monastery because you keep the wine in the monastery. Therefore, you have to go." Then he told to Atisha, "This is not heard to me.
Children never married the Shavel never is. I never see Shavel to on Yaji, maybe you were able.
No.
Children never married the Yavel never, then we show some.
A teacher says, I know that it doesn't hurt you, but this one hurt for the others. Therefore, you have to leave from the monastery.
Then the Yadam and Ruin song. Mang never is the Dilam Yamdi, Mapi, never is. Never good Mando Rungu Maria song. Who should it be decay? Now you know the transform. Now you know the Nahalia transform.
Then, during the monks together in the chanting hall, then he says, I'm the bad person, therefore I cannot go through the door, and I have to go upwards. Then he took his cushion and just sprung through the ceilings to go up in space.
Then the Papa, Cho Conga, Cho Conga, Samayo Mari, Cho Conga Conga, Richard, Mang Hammer is Chuchuran Sobache, again, John Langa, and Chucheka Yachi, Chucheka Mache, Konosho Paramalevo.
No.
To change it.
Then he went away, and then he reached Chokanga. Chokanga means very big river in India. He reached there, and by the river, he says, I'm the bad person. Therefore, if I cross you, then you will be bad. Therefore, better you just keep away from me. Then he told that one to the river, and then that time this river is just completely open, and he can go through that way. Now, then he keep way, and also then he also arrived the temple of the non-Buddhism temple. So he arrived there, and also that in that temple there, people the offerings sacrifice animals, many animals every day, almost every day, many animals killed there, and also offered to the God they got. Then he arrived there. He went to the inside of the temple, and also then he went to buy the structure of the God, and also he pushed away very strong, big strong structures, but he pushed away by his nail of the food, and it was like they pushed away outside. Then those people, they very upset, and they cannot challenge with him, and also but people ask, please, would you like to put back into the temple? So we want this structure inside of the temple, please, to take back to there. Then they asked it to him. Then he says, I will take back to this structure inside of the temple, but you do need a commitment, something from you. I need it. What is the commitment? If you don't kill the animal and don't do sacrifice to this God, and also when you give an offering to this God by rice or any other food, if you do that, then I will take back into the temple. Inside of the temple, they are also the Dakinis of this non-Buddhism. They are also structure of that. Then he went to there, and also he chopped the head of the structure of the Dakinis. Then those Dakinis, head is absorbed into the body. There is no head. when heads go down into the body of the stone, stone body, then he, 2 ears, hold like each one hand, and also take up, bring back head to like normal. Since then, she had new names. Nanjuma means Nanju means the hold from the ear. Therefore, so that's kind of she got name. Then in India, he teach the Dharma and also develop, means increase the Dharma. There's a lot of that he did, and after that, then he went to in Nepal. In Nepal, when he went to there, then he saw some Lama Tsendika. It was like a statue of the Lama Tsendika by stone, I think, statue. In that time, in Nepal, there are some people to check like look like mathematics like this is not proper side, the clairvoyance, something like this. They says do need the sacrifice animals. Shivam is trillions, billions. Trillion, you understand? Okay. That's kind of animal killed, and then do need sacrifice during the 3 years, within 3 years. If you don't do that, Nepalese government or people, then as a country has very bad opportunity or very bad happen. Then this Nepalese government, they want to do, they have to do because of the country have to take care. Therefore, but they don't have that kind of animal. Like this kind of animal, they don't have it. Then they think what we want to do. Then to Chimbawapa, he says, take it easy. I have idea, and does he need like animals? Does he need then like sesame seed, black sesame seed, you know? This kelja means hundreds of bags, you know, sesame seed bread. That's the Nepalese government needs to sacrifice to Lama Tsendaka, and then he to Chimbawapa gave him tel into the fire, fire puja. That time some people can see saw, or some people saw them. Lama Tsendaka, she was in the fire. There's in the fire, and also when he gave sesame seed through his hand, then also they can see the the animals like look like animals, you know. That's kind of that's kind of Chimbawapa has a very high quality or high reputation of the Dharma's power, and then after that, then his generation, then in our country there's Penche Shaktisher. he is also reincarnation of the Mahasiddha and the Panchen Shakya. Also Panchen Shakya also very great scholar, not only scholars like a Mahasiddha of scholar, you can say that a very great one came.
Shaja Shiriki Koji Dine Mahatalansu Jumarangi Mission, Tayan said, Gene, Pudan Central, Pudan Tanjimari Central.
After that, later, then also Pudan Central was come up, also generation of the 8, Shakti Sharif come down, then great scholar also Pudan Central.
Recently, Koji Chine, that Jeru Sige, Lomato Deva, Nizet Avajas and Duazeba, Jaragan Nizet the Chemevaji, Shuji is Nizet Avajas.
Pudan Central, when he left and also reincarnated, came back, then during the same time, Lama Tsongkhapa, Jirambuche, and at that time, then Mahasiddha, great Mahasiddha, called like Nuzit Tawajansi. He came up.
Tawajansi Kuji Yanse Nyabati, Suna Tavari.
Then Nuzit Tawajansi also changed his life, and also then after that, then Panchen Suna Tapa.
Then Jawar Muchi, Tale Lama Sigri Huzuri, Putin Sumba Suna Jazigi, Lamari, Uta Tugu Yike, Panchen Suna Tavari. That's Panchen Suna Tapa is the teacher of the third of Dalai Lamas. That he drew the Suna Ishe Umbu, Kavashu Jumari.
Panchen Suna Tapa, after Panchen Suna Tapa has good, very excellent quality and also very high reputation. And after that, then after that also Panchen
Suna Ishe Umbu.
Suna Ishe Wampo come up.
Suna Ishe Wampo said the Travajins, Chuku Travajins.
Then Suna Ishe Wampo when left, and then after that, then the history incarnation of the Tukutapa Jansen.
Tukutapa Jansen and Jaokutin Naba, the common Tuna Kabu. Gentlemen, Tukutapa Jansen, one Chusunga and Keva Chimbucha, Peshalusan Chujing Domari. The
Tukutapa Jansen is a very great scholar, and even he was 13 years old boy at that time. Was a great scholar, and especially also learning, and everything is practicing, and also he's himself realization of himself clear, and also he teach it to the others also. And his guru is Panchen Losang Chujin.
Na Panchen Tukutapa Jansen the Shita Keda Shimbucheni, the day you are in Nejung Chujunge, Yama, Jervi Shejudu, Angal Milachi Gudu, Milachi Ruchi, Jervi Shachito, those who the son. Love you, Koronga Rivadilla, Koronga Tamasun, Suma Guyo. Take Kedu which he cherished in some year, Kedu which can't Masumba, Kawajudi. And you might have original Milachi Rus, a Puchi only. This should have been a divergence that the Bekune Dribu, Tomakan on the Geshu, today is and Dribu where Jervis Kunuku should have thought about 2 ceremony. I should have covered the Cheryl Rock with nature also.
Then, like during the Lama Tsongkhapa's time, and also nation Chöshon means the government protector, that's nation Chöshon. He didn't show his real forms, but he to make emanation of the one young boy, and he went to the most of the time, many times, coming to the Lama Tsongkhapa place with the Lama Tsongkhapa and with the disciple of Lama Tsongkhapa together. Then he went to he goes there, and he asked like this: I do need helpers. I don't need helpers. Who can do it? He asked it, but nobody says yes. Many times nobody says I do it. Nobody said that. Then one day, then the Nuzit Tawajansi is the from the round of this Lama Tsongkhapa, which is staying that time. He is the oldest, and then he think, oh, now this boy is many times coming, and then he says, I will help you, I do help to you.
What the then in the salon and the last one.
No. Then that boy says, when Luzi Tabajan says, I will help you, I do it, said that. At that time, that small boy says, that is, yeah, you don't forget that one, you told me that you don't forget. So he said, and then that small boy disappeared.
And the Loma Muchimbaria and Java Putin Tambo, Ginu Trupa, Jerumichil, Homari, Kutiniba Ginu Jasuri, Jerumichim Jayo Mari, Kutin Sumba Musuna Jasuri, and the Suna Tabe, Homari, Kutin Shiba Yune Jasuri. That put him about Javalosan Jasutula, and pension Jashin in the Tugutavajin. Tugutavaj, Hajaki Kevachumuche, Yaruchil Hala, Taruchani, and the Geda Shida, Jedid, Division told Marani. Did you Marak this is Sanjay Jasuri?
At that time, then, disappeared this boy, and then that is the time of the Lama Tsongkhapa, and since then the Dalai Lama, first Dalai Lama is the Javagindu Trup. He is the disciple of the Lama Tsongkhapa directly, and since then to Dalai Lama second, third, fourth, fifth Dalai Lama, also 5 generations after, then Tuk Traba Jansi came. The Tuk Traba Jansi is during the Lama Tsongkhapa's time, he is the Luzi Traba Jansi. He was there. Then 5th Dalai Lama's time, he came, and his name is the Tuk Traba Jansi.
Then I just so the Tuk Traba Jansi, Nejung, Lapesan, the Nejung, Chirang Hama Kenet, I just remember Chishus. Then
one day Tuk Traba Jansi went to the oracle. Was nations coming through the oracle, and also people can talk, and also this. Then one day Tuk Traba Jansi, he went to there, and also during the nation with the oracle, and the nation asked, do you remember which you did promise to me? Do you remember that? Then Tuk Traba Jansi said, I don't remember.
And Nejung getting them to do and Ruchil of Naja Jebber. And party Timijan those Ania, Himamia for the Rochi, Kelen and Usata, Tivapuji, Imres and Temeri.
Then Tuk Traba Jansi said, I don't remember, told to the nation. Then nation gave some barley, or some barleys which they gave to Tuk Traba Jansi. You take this and also burn the barley and also smell in your nose, and then you will remember. Told. Then also Tuk Traba Jansi go back to his place and also burn those barleys, and then he remembered. And before nation was emanation of the small boy, and also he wanted to help us. Then he remembers his whole history.
Nejung getting Hagi Novit Tanjan Dojileva. What is it? Tuk Traba Jansi Lamanzo, Sergi Shamakan, the Wooden Senani, Jerumichi Temba de Saka Chitava in the window. Temba de Chron de Tabach in the window. Manzu that Temba the Pendo in woman to Chron, Chilogo Jigo to see, and you think we don't. No. Then
he remembers, and then he think, now I do need to show the form of the Dhammapala, he thought. And after that was also, then he said nation, the Tamchi Doji Lipa is another protector of the Dharma, was very powerful. Then he says also, he told to Traba Jansi, now in this time, now is like with the Dharma pure, holding and also this is the system of the Lama Tsongkhapa, that is like gold, and also you are also if you become a protector of that, then you will be its best one. You are the best protector of the Lama Tsongkhapa system of teaching.
Then I show you to go to a Tangja that Tringan do the Mother Jim do Jata. Trivaku Jimala Jen do what is Shadu, Yawaja Shana, enemy, but they wish in the Then so his wheel, Kunalong to wheel. Him in those two Ravages of Kunalong. And which wrong on that Asaya dish, Jane as so.
Then next time also, then he went to the nation, where his nation coming to the oracle. It's also he tell, yeah, I will become to take form with the Dhamma Palace, but I don't need, I don't have cost of that. Say he told, what is the cost of that? Then he says also somebody also to make anger or something to bad action to do to him. Then that's the cost of the become to taking form of the Dhammapala. Therefore, he told that is I don't have that kind of problem. Then Nishun says, you will stay in Lhasa, go into the Lhasa, then I will make a cost of that. Nishun told to the Tukutava Jansi.
Tukutava Jansi Lhasa Shuni, Megangaya Lhasa Jedu, Matse Buddha Javu Shinjedu Shume, Ya Lhasa Jaka Mato, the Bemini Abelanga Chin Pangdi, Niman Yenze, teachers, and this is Sanjay Chado. Then
what Nishun told to the Tukutava Jansi, just like that Tukutava Jansi, then he went to the Lhasa. The Lhasa is the capital of Tibet. He's staying there, and then since then, when he's staying in Lhasa, the people, Tibetan people, local people, or from long distance, or coming to there and also see him, his reputation is much higher than his own Dalai Lama at that time. Therefore, one of the attending of the Dalai Lama, this is Sanjay Jakso. He angry and he mad, and then they try to kill the Tukutava Jansi.
That Tukutava Jansi, that in Eloju Mamuyo, and she Mugo, Toya that Rachel. Tony Tukutava Jansi, Yor Mabala Mayocha, Nengan Adios, Yamaba Tukutava Jansi, Andrew Wilson. Then you know the human, Nasam Gogris, Sani Madon, they were the two. Tony Kuduja, that the Mamuyo, that under image of Kudu Jumito. Then
those are attendants of Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama, this is Sanjay. He killed the Tukutava Jansi, and then but he saw Dalai Lama doesn't know anything. No, then this attendant of Dalai Lamas, he told to his son Dalai Lama, Tukutava Jansi now. Sick, very badly sick, he told. Then his own Dalai Lama says, if he is sick, I want to go to there, and also I want to see him, he told. Then he says, this is Sanjay also means, he says, oh, you cannot go there, his son, please you don't go, because his sickness is a very disease, very bad disease, also catch you, then no good for you, please don't go. And make stop to go there, and then other side, then that's Tukutava Jansi killed and also burned his body. When he burned his body, then very special smoke with the rainbows together. Rainbow and the smoke is together, just like a pillar, straight in the space. Just it's very long one. Cannot measure like that kind of. Then there's rainbow and smoke mixture straight in the sky. Space go up, and then that time the his attending of the Tukutava Jansi very upset. He think, oh, now so people is doing very bad to him, kill, and also everything is very bad action to do to him. But he don't think about those, and he goes straight up to the pure land. Look like he going up straight pure land. That's he doesn't like it. And also, why don't you do anything? Go straight. That's where his robes hit the smoking, and then smoke is coming down. Then does it go up and come down to the earth, and the whole area. So then this smoke with the rainbows just like a foggy on the ground, just like that come up.
That's what is in by the time I was on the Raton was and said, Yamaboran, Lamachino, Radon, Haramba, Anaya Kamaba, Rojita, which is here, which is the Riga Laka, Dungibe, Tajuji, Jesita, Sicila, Mamucha, Suchigala Manima, and Tamale the Adam, which then so much. Then he started then become taking lot of poem, and then very popular one. Then he went to the Sangpur from Lhasa went to Sangpur. Sangpur means from Lhasa to the other side of the maybe it's one place called Sangpur. There are also protector called Setapa. This is the college of Setapa. Then he went to there and he's staying there. Chujudi Sumalia Su, Devishunge, Danfonja, Tasala, Chujunga Danfonja, Chetajuyo. They want to know Gone, Gone Naja Gutula, Yigichimuchi, Bensi, Gioli. The Anani Chujun Koran the Bear, Yated of the Transin Singing, Fairly Wall of Prayer, Gayum, Jana Gomena Shabachi, the Rega Gonisha, Mamuchu. Then since then, many different kinds of them. Science very popular. It's very strange, this country, in our country, many different kinds of science, very popular one. Everybody afraid, and also really great powerful the science up. Then he fifth Dalai Lama, they tried to make a burn through the fire pucha, and very great ones like his own Dalai Lama, Kamapa, Dojita, and those many kinds of Ganding Harampa, and those powerful lamas try to make a burn in the with a fire pucha, but they cannot burn anything, nothing do, cannot do anything, and was powerful. Therefore, then they knew that, and then after that they put now you are the protector, and to make the protector. Then Doji Shunde, and since then also from the Chinese king like that time also his great name is Dhammapala. Therefore many different places also, even China, they sent many different kinds of offerings to Dhammapala, and also those kind of Dhammapala has. Then so much at the Saja Maria. Lamar Shenwaje Singaji Chabiti told on Rio. Original Shenwaje Chabit told on the Jewish. Since then, they're very powerful protector, and a very powerful and great quality protector. Therefore, then so on means the initiation of the Jashin. Since then came, then Lama when they given the initiation of the Dhammapala, that blessing of Dhammapala, through the text by Lama Rinchen Wangja. But then sometimes that's also that's text laws. Double Dojang Karon, Karjo Chu. Home Shoda, Double Dojang La Shuni, Lone Dojang, Jake Honga, Double Dojang, Sugar Nabu, Toran was secret to Lagade, you question the Jerush on the fair, Jerush the Shrion, and Jerush. Since then, they lost that text, and then people, even high level teachers, they couldn't get the initiation of Dhammapala. Then now Shaji Pongkapa's time, and also Tapu Doji Chan, Tapu Doji Shaji Pongkapa, Lama Roshi.
Tapu Doji Chang, very great Mahasiddha. He is a really great, extremely great Mahasiddha. And then Shaji Pongkapa asked to Tapu Doji Chang, please try to get the initiation of the Dhammapala. Because we need asking. And then Tapu Doji Chang, he went to the Tushta Hebi, because Lama Tsongkhapa is there now. And he went to Tushta Hebi, and also he see the Lama Tsongkhapa, and also then get the initiation of the Dhammapala from Lama Tsongkhapa's two different kinds of initiations. Tapu Doji Chang got it.
Tapu Doji Chang, Lama Doji Chang, Pongkapa, which is no yours.
Then from the Lama Tsongkhapa giving this initiation to the Tapu Doji Chang, Tapu Doji Chang gave initiation to the Shaji Pongkapa.
Lama Doji Chang, Pongkapa, which is no.
Then Shaji Pongkapa gave this initiation to the Shaji Chijang Doji Chang. Then from the Shaji Chijang Doji Chang, then our His Holiness, our Guru Shaji Sonamachi, he get three times, about 3 times. Then since then to Gurus, it's four generations. Four generations. The Tapu Doji Chang is the great Mahasiddha of the Tibetans. That is the everybody knows this general. So everybody knows he is the greater because structures also talking to him, and even like this, and also normally Tara and himself pursuing each other, talking each other, just like this kind of hazard. Shaji Pongkapa is great Mahasiddha, and a long time before his long history, and also in this time also, the great action of the Dhamma is increasing and also make develop, and the whole in our country, Tibet country, he giving teachings and also develop Dharma very kind for us did, and also he is the emanation of the then Kolo Dencho, Mr. Charasambara. He is the real Charasambara. His Holiness says also then, and those kind of you have the greatest great our teacher, great Mahasiddhas. Through that way the initiations came, and also we got it. And if you want to know about detail of those real, if you want to know, then it has text book. Then now His Holiness mentioned one textbook I had it, because through His Holiness this times I got it, and also maybe I can make a Xerox for you, and also you will have center here and in other centers. Therefore, if you want to learn, you learn from them, from your teacher. The commentary of this text is now put printing in India. Also, if you want it, you can get it. It's Geshe-la mentioned, His Holiness mentioned to where is that. No.